By the way, okay, so I'm gonna have an Eevee-Anon, a Vaporeon, and I need a Water Stone. You can find one in this thing called Hidden Grotto. I know what it is, but in case you didn't, it's like this space thing that's there, kind of hard to explain. But this space in between trees, and you can, yeah, find, like, different stuff in there, like Pokemon and stuff. Bianca will show you later, and, oh my gosh. Seriously? I'm just gonna battle me like 20 times because it's not really good. Yes, I'm pretty good Pokemon at the end, but, some really good Pokemon at the end, actually. But, oh, same level. Darn it, the problem is Ember. It's not good. And again, when they just pick a Pokemon you don't know, and then you can have like a type advantage against them. But does he know Ember? I don't think he does. I didn't seem to know Ember. He won't come anymore. I did that. No, he won't. I trust his sanity. Yes, he's an idiot. Thank you. Thanks for being an idiot, man. Thanks. And now Snaggy's at level 9. Possibly level, you could go 2 levels, but yeah. I think it's kind of hard to do that sometimes. Yeah, see. Yeah, you better apologize to him. Should have kept it. And one for you. How many potions do you have? I'm missing like 5. I already used 1, so that'll be. Yeah. Let me get some more. Oh, really? Very nice. Thanks. Okay, let's see how many potions she gave us. Oh, she only gave us 1 potion? Thanks. I don't know if the hidden grotto, that place I was talking about, is here. But, the beginning of this is so long for you to get a gym bag to taste for. Oh. Hi. Wait, what? When they want to see you? They want to stand on the herd you? Oh, yeah. Wow, you're being effective, just looking like walking around here. Mary! I'm not gonna get one on the team though, but yeah, pretty cool. I think you can find them here though. Okay, no. There's all these random Pokemon that I just caught. Wait, how'd you do so much damage to me? I just killed my Pokemon. Wow. My first Pokemon I'm gonna catch is Seeker, but it's not gonna be real loot. That's the Pokemon I was catching. I was thinking of Mary, and then... Oh, man. Yeah, you can catch Riolos here, by the way. And Azuros. And then Marys. That's all you can catch, like, around this area. And then Lillipups and stuff. In all case. Even though I had one on my white team. It just sounds weird when you say, I had one on my white team. I had this one on my black team. Oh, no. Darn it. I wanted to catch Riley and then train music. There she goes. So I want to go to level 9. But, I mean 10, I mean. And then I'm gonna have to. Unless they just throw it on my other Pokemon, but they don't stand a chance. So. And then I think you can also find Psyduck around here. If I'm not mistaken. Kind of studied this game a lot. Crap! Wow! No! Good. At least you can attack it. It's always good to have a backup move, just in case. I think usually I don't use other moves like that. You kind of just attack and stuff, but I guess I just use them. I'm gonna go catch Yuri in here. Nope, I was about to click A again. Oh, she's fast. Oh, my shiny is that boy, I didn't realize that. Kind of wanted to sleep, it doesn't look much like a guy, but you know, yeah. I mean, I don't really care if it's a girl or boy, but I mean, there's just some Pokemon out there that kind of look more like, you know, aww, two little friends here. Okay, that one. There's a Pokeball right there. There we go. Awesome little person right there. If it hurts me and gets me on the red, then I'm probably will. Okay, no. I see the red. It's on yellow. If this was a game like before, we would have used all our Pokeballs by now. Because they usually give us 5. Darn it. Well, he only does like 2 damage. Just use Wrap and see if you can do something. Avoid the dumb attack. He does 2 damage every time, so yeah. Unless it gets good, which I hope doesn't happen. Please catch it. Just. Yes! There's no revives also yet, so I can't just throw out another Pokemon and revive him. So yeah. I'm gonna end this video right here. So thanks for watching, guys.